Welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Yvette. In today's video, I will be making some strawberry cake. This is a highly requested cake. It's one of my viewers have been asking me for a very long time to make, so I decided to make it. And again, thanks for all my subscribers, my viewers. Thank you for your love and support. Today I must say that they reached 10,000 subscribers, so thank you again. I know without you guys I can't do it, so I must say thank you. So let's start it. I don't want this video to be forever and ever on. So this is some fresh strawberry that I wash, but you know, we have to buy it. Wash it and I chip it up, and I'm going to put it into the food processor. That's one. Alright, let me turn the camera a bit down so you can see everything that I'm using today. So this is the egg, 3 eggs, baking powder. This is sour cream, 1 bowl of sour cream, 1 bowl of milk, evaporated milk. This is half of a lemon zest. You know what makes the sense. This is the coloring. This is to give this strawberry a kick, you know, a brighter color. You want a brighter color. I'm going to be using 8 ounces of butter, 2 cups of flour. This is some cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, and the orange, dry orange peel powder. All right, you can see it. All is in here. All right. First I must put this. Start by putting the strawberry into the food processor. I'm going to turn the camera. That's why you see everything that I'm doing. Yes. I'm finished pouring this. I'm going to pour it out into this mixing measuring cup. All right. Okay. Into this bowl, I'm going to add this sour cream, 1 cup. All right, this is the milk, 1 cup. This is all the egg.
Which one you want? This? Huh?
This is 10 tablespoons of white sugar. This is half a teaspoon of mixed essence. And I'm gonna whisk this. using a small whisk, oops, together to get it all combined. I'm gonna use the sachet. Okay, in order to forget the right color, which is the red color, I'm gonna drop 1 drop of the food coloring. I'm gonna scrape around the edges. Then I'm gonna continue doing this. Alright. Stay tuned. I'm gonna spread this pan. I'm gonna use this pan here and then I'm gonna dust it with some flour. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna add the batter into the and then I will be back. So I get my toothpick. So stay tuned. Right. So take it out of the oven and I'm going to test it to see if it completely finished. No, it still wants some more, a little bit more. Alright. Yes, it still wants some more. So I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 50 minutes because really it's supposed to cook. Yeah. This one is still wet. Ooh, you see? It's still wet. You see? Yeah. So I'm going to put it right back in the oven. So this is the cake. I'm going to throw it out of the pan because I have the greaseproof paper at the bottom here. So I'm going to take this plate and turn it over. Alright, you know it's still hot, so let me see if it can come out. Yes, it did. Alright, so take out the paper and then I'm gonna leave it until it's cold. What I wanted to do is make some glaze and put on it. So stay tuned. After the cake has come out of the oven and I put it to get it cold, it's not fully cold as yet, it's still warm, but what I'm going to do now is make a glaze, right? This is 2 tablespoons of sugar powder, alright? 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of evaporated milk. And 1 drip of the essence, mixed essence. Right? You can use a whisk. I'm using a spoon, but you could use a whisk also. I want a lot. Alright.
Other medical professionals, and they don't see all the rewards that you traditionally see because, you know, Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, they reward engagement and they reward hostility.
And so what they're rewarding right now are insane, baseless conspiracy theories that have sort of taken root, that, you know, doctors coming home from watching their patients die, trying to fight the disease, and coming home to social media and sometimes like family members or friends or people they know, telling them that the whole thing was some, you know, plot by Bill Gates to, you know, I don't know, implant chips in people or depopulate the world, whatever nonsense is going on. But those are high-ranking, high-engagement stories across Facebook and other platforms.
Yeah, and look, this makes sense, right? We are in a time of chaos, basically. We are in a time where people's trust in institutions and various different things has gone away, and their livelihoods have changed. The way they live their lives have changed. So instead of, you know, embracing that ambiguity and looking for answers that are realistic, they go to the easy ones. They go to the simple ones. And the simple ones are things they can see. So, you know, if you talk to conspiracy theory researchers, they call conspiracy theorists the last believers in an ordered universe. They always try to look for boogeymen. They always look for somebody like Bill Gates, who everyone knows, right? Everyone knows Bill Gates. And if they can say that he did this and everyone can point to him and say, if we get rid of Bill Gates, then everything's fixed. Everything's, you know, all of this is over. All this staying at home is over. But it doesn't really work like that. We know this. It's, you know, science is a lot more complicated than just
Detox the algorithms that decide what people say and correct the record on health misinformation. I mean, how have these platforms approached this? How have they dealt with this?
You know, they have.
This is.
You know, the problem that we see over and over again is that
How it looks.
Viral and then sort of like rein it back in. Today there was a video on YouTube or Facebook, and if you have someone in your life who's chronically addicted to YouTube or has like Facebook brain, I think is the technical term for it, they will have seen this thing called pandemic, which is this awful saying, don't wear your mask, it gives you
I was left in it.
just terrible stuff that you really, it isn't possible to be true. I know. And the issue is that this stuff goes viral first and then they correct it. What we need is action-based enforcement. People who, none of these people that are pushing that video are new here, right? They are people who are constants in these anti-vax communities. They've been here for years and years. They are just
This is only for decoration purposes. And here you have it. Some nice strawberry sponge cake with glaze. Alright? Now you can use this for your Mother's Day. You could use it any day now that we're home and we get locked in. Okay. Let me bring it close to you. Alright. I'm going to cut a piece so that you guys see anyhow. Right? I like the decorations. And I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description bar below. Alright. Still spongy. Guys, try this. I'm telling you. For me, I could eat it. You get a nice sour taste. You know, the nice from the strawberry and the lime juice. You know, nice, the nice taste to it. And then the glaze give it a kick. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Alright? Ease up with the sugar. Alright, guys. Alright. Special requests. Alright. Again, thanks for watching. Like and share this video. Invite a friend. Thanks for your support. Thanks for being there and encourage me from day one. For all those good, the ones that wish me well, and even to the ones that don't wish me well, I still love you guys. You know, God bless every one of us. Thank you so much. And again, be safe out there. All right? Love you. Mwah. One love.